Hola, this is Daniel DiTuro. For homemade enchiladas, you can buy a prepared enchilada sauce. But like most prepared foods, it can be high in sodium. This brand of red enchilada sauce has 370 milligrams of sodium per 1/4 cup serving. A 1/4 cup of salsa goes a long way when served with chips, but when making enchiladas, you can easily use 2 or more cups. One enchilada can easily exceed 500 milligrams of sodium. It's easy to see why when salt follows water and dried red chili peppers in the ingredients list. With a few simple ingredients, you can make homemade red enchilada sauce with as much flavor and significantly less sodium than prepared sauces. This recipe makes about 5 cups, but you can cut the recipe in half if desired. You'll need about 1 teaspoon of olive oil, about 4 small cloves of garlic or 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Adjust the amount of garlic to your taste. About 1/2 small onion, or you can use a whole onion, or 1 teaspoon of onion powder. About 2 cups of reduced sodium vegetable or chicken stock or homemade stock. 1 cup of water, or you can add an additional cup of stock. 8 ounces of canned, no salt added tomato sauce or homemade tomato sauce. For heat, you can use 4 ounces of chipotle peppers in adobo sauce or adjust the amount to your taste. Or you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground chili powder or 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. In either case, adjust the amounts to your taste or use a combination of red chili peppers. And 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, or adjust the amount to taste. To thicken the sauce without hours of simmering, you can add a couple tablespoons of cornstarch dissolved in cold water. When using fresh onion, garlic, and chipotle peppers, a blender will produce a smooth sauce. If you don't have a blender, you can use a food processor or substitute dry ingredients. When using a blender, add all ingredients except the cornstarch and water. Blend on high speed until the mixture is smooth, about 45 to 60 seconds. At this stage, you can refrigerate or freeze it for later use. For a thicker sauce, or to use it for enchiladas, transfer the mixture to a pan and bring to a simmer on medium to high heat, and then reduce the heat to low. Simmer about 5 minutes. At this stage, you'll have a thin sauce that you can thicken by simmering for an hour or more. To quickly thicken, dissolve the cornstarch in the cold water, add it to the pan, and stir to combine. Continue stirring 1 to 2 minutes or until the sauce has thickened. You can now use the sauce to make any variety enchilada. You can also use it to serve any variety of burro or chimichanga enchilada style. You can also combine it with cooked rice for a quick Spanish-styled rice. A 1/4 cup serving of red enchilada sauce has about 15 calories, is virtually fat-free, has less than 100 milligrams of sodium, and about 1 gram of fiber and protein. Nutrition values for this recipe are almost identical to canned enchilada sauce, with significantly less sodium. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating!